Hello and welcome back. So we're going to continue where we left off. I separated the modded stuff and I think I added labels outside of the recording. But yeah, I'm just going to continue learning how to do addressables. Alright, so I was able to load the game objects, but for some reason I can't spawn them. So I'm just going to add some debug stuff. Alright, so I finally done it. There's this error that I need to fix by probably closing it and restarting it. But while we're doing that, we're going to look at the code and we're going to change this. I can reuse this actually. So we're going to make load default spawnables, and then put spawnables label equals new list. And we're going to put default spawnables and put that, and then load modded. I think it's called modded. Pretty sure I used the word modded. And then copy this again, load all. Then I can just do this, and I'll get rid of, well, I'll move it, not get rid of it. Now how do I unload everything? How do I release all assets? Is that instant, or does it do it like asynchronous? Well, I hope that works. Oh yeah, and I should probably put the index equals 0. And now I can push a button to activate it, I guess. If OVR input button. I really need to make a new debug thing after I get this done. Hopefully the error doesn't appear anymore. It's like buffer overflow or something. Yeah, it seems to be working. Alright, hopefully that'll work. Oh wait, I don't know if I can build that way. Oh, we'll see. Alright, so I don't know what this garbage collection is right here. Like, why is it spiking every few frames? Oh, it's only 1 kilobyte. I guess it doesn't matter then. But let's pull the data and analyze if there's any problem with the memory. Wait, is this memory? Does this analyze memory? I don't know actually if this analyzes memory, so I don't think this is going to be useful for memory stuff. Yeah, this is just CPU. But from the look of it, 1 kilobyte. Don't need physics, don't need that. What else do I need? I'm not doing networking. Maybe in the future I'll do networking. Yeah, I don't need the physics stuff because I'm using Unity. Dots physics. Unity 1 KB GC allocations. What's this, like every frame? No, it's every 480, every 18 frames. I wonder if that's because of the debug logs. Let's just do an unload and see how much it changes. So I'm just gonna unload it and see what GC allocations I get. It's a kilobyte, but I don't know if that's important or not in terms of memory. 60 game objects in the scene? Alright, so I'm probably just gonna compile it with the addressables release. Don't know if it actually does anything. From the profile it doesn't look like it does anything, but I'm gonna put it there just in case to release the prefabs. And then I'm just gonna add a note to my Git that every 18th frame there's a 1 kilobyte garbage collection allocated. But before I do a commit, I also need to test if I can insert more prefabs. I also need to clear all this data and just rebuild the content. But yeah, I just need to build this, and after it's built, I can try and put more prefabs and see if it actually spawns. Spawns and loads. Oh, load then spawn. I'm going to try something even more interesting. I'm going to update it and see if it updates live. So I'm going to make a new prefab. What should I make? Capsule. Really weird wide capsule. Actually, I'm just going to take this prefab and then unpack it completely. Wide capsule prefab. And we'll just add that here. Simplified name. Default. Spawnable. Now we'll build content update. Now if we press button 1, which is the A button, I'm pretty sure, it'll reload all the assets that are default and spawnable. But I don't know if it'll re-download all the assets. I'm pretty sure if I restart the application it'll do it, but I don't know if it'll live reload it while it's running, but we'll see. Alright, so it doesn't live reload, so I'm gonna try and do addressables. I guess I'll just try and do this, but I probably have to make another function to do a callback when it finishes. I guess I'll put this on the button instead. So I'll just put this on button 1 and button 2. Addressables dot download dependencies, new list object, spawnables. Addressable manage mode enter. So we'll run that just before we load the spawnable. Well, it'll do it asynchronous, so I should probably do completed plus equals load default. Oh wait. I should probably run an up. Bloody hell. I don't know. I need to think about this a bit more. I'll just write down what I have to do, which is load, no, unload spawnables, update spawnables, load spawnables, all asynchronously. Or I could just update spawnables. That might just be an easier way to do it, just update the spawnable. I could just do a overload with async operation handle. So with these. Oh wait, I just have to have async operation handle. I think that's all I need, just that. And that should just work. What can I do with this handle? Nope, I just put that there. For callbacks, not that I really need. Well, I actually do need it. Oh, let's try this out. If this works, that means I can live edit a game, which will be very cool. Especially when I'm at an event or something. Alright, so it doesn't work. The download async, it doesn't update it live. So I'm just gonna do a git push commit loaded assets from labels instead of direct reference. Note GC and location every 18 frames on kilobyte. There we go. And let's look at the hacking plan. Check if I'm logged in. I am not logged. Oh wait, I am logged. Yes, this is overdue. What does this mean? Use alternate asset using addressables. Yeah, pretty much done that. I'm gonna do this one now. Got an in-game console. But after I take a break, or maybe tomorrow. So we successfully loaded from a label using addressables over LAN. So I guess that's it for now. May continue later. Until next time.